sea and sit in this very nice Odesa yard. I decided to order Forschmack and Hi, it's Blonde Kyiv, and today we go to one hidden area which normally foreigners never pay attention on. So, let's go. We start from St. Andrew's Descent and go left to a little tunnel with Alice in Wonderland and the rabbit. We go through it to one district named Vozdvizhenka. Kiev is a very green and hilly city and has a lot of parks. Let's check out the view from this hill. Do you see small different color houses? Here we go. By the way, these stairs are new, were reconstructed in 2018. Now it's much easier to get from Vozdvizhenka to St. Andrew's Descent. According to the legend, the first Kiev settlements were located here, but now it's an elite area. Some people name it Ghost City because a lot of houses are still empty. This place is very popular for shooting as wedding shootings and so on. Also here a lot of offices, different cafes and restaurants. There are some rumors about this place. Firstly, it's way too expensive for this quality. Secondly, it was built for an old cemetery, and thirdly, it's problems with the supply system, gas, electricity and water. And now I'll show you my favorite place here. It's Ukrainian restaurant in Odesa style. If you don't know, Odesa is a city in Ukraine on the Black Sea, especially popular in summer for vacation. A restaurant named Любчик. In this garden you can see all the attributes that were used during Soviet times, and some of them are specifically from Odesa. Здравствуйте. I like this place so much because you can order a fish from the Black Sea and sit in this very nice Odesa yard. I decided to order Forschmack and Ukrainian beer and enjoy the atmosphere. Forschmack mix fish, onion and eggs. We eat in that way with the bread. It's very tasty. For appetizer I highly recommend this one, if you like fish, of course. About the price. Total amount of the beer and Forschmack is 122. It's around $4. Beer is around $1. And this fish, 89 hryvnia, it's more or less like. So, that's all for today. Please don't forget to like, follow and subscribe my videos. I also have Patreon. Please feel free to support my videos and I can continue making more and buy better vocabulary and improve my English. So, bye!